Hello, this is another quick reference video going over some of the Python built-in methods. Today we are looking at the string casefold method. So the casefold method by definition returns a string where all the characters are lowercase. This method is very similar to the lower method, but this method is stronger, more aggressive, meaning that it will convert more characters outside of the standard ASCII values. Now this is the syntax, and there are no optional or required parameters, and the return value is a string which is suitable for caseless comparison. Now let's take a look at some examples. In the first example we have just a regular string, and if you run a casefold method on it, you can see that all the letters have been converted to lowercase. Now in the second example we are going to compare or take a look at the difference between the lower and the casefold method. So if I run this example, we can see that the casefold method has converted this string to lowercase, whereas the lower didn't. And this is because the special characters is actually outside of the standard ASCII values, and because of this, it has not been converted. Now in this last example, we are going to do a caseless comparison. Now this is done by converting both strings to lowercase, and we're going to see if these two strings are equivalent. And as we can see, yes, they are equivalent, and this is because we use the casefold method. If we would use the lower method, we can try it and rerun the example. We can see that the strings are not equivalent. So this is the casefold method, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.